Let us see what is an Armstrong number. Now Armstrong number is one which is equal to sum of cube of its individual digits. Say for example, if I say 153, 153 is equal to 1 cube plus 5 cube plus 3 cube. It is 1 plus 125 plus 27 which is equal to 153. Therefore we call 153 as an Armstrong number. Now what we need to do, given a number, we need to find whether it is an Armstrong number or not an Armstrong number. Now let us say n is equal to 153. Let us say n is equal to 153. Now we need to find the sum of cubes, and whenever we want to find the sum, what is the additive identity of sum? The additive identity of sum is 0. Therefore we initialize the value of sum to be 0. Now I say 1 cube plus 5 cube plus 3 cube, or I say 3 cube plus 5 cube plus 1 cube, it doesn't matter. Why I take 3 cube plus 5 cube plus 1 cube? Because we can easily get the last digit of the number. How do you get the last digit of the number? You say modulo 10. We say modulo 10. Therefore, what we write over here? We want to get the remainder. We say remainder is equal to n modulo 10. We say remainder equal to n modulo 10. Now 153 modulo 10 is nothing but 3. Now you need to get 3 cube. You need to get 3 cube. Therefore, how do we get 3 cube? You can write it as power of remainder comma 3, or you can say remainder into remainder into remainder. Now therefore, power of remainder comma 3 is 3 cube, which is 27, and this 27 should be added to sum. That is what we need to do. Hence we say sum is equal to sum plus, or you can write sum plus equal. Hence sum plus power of 3 cube. Now it becomes 3 cube. 0 plus 3 cube is 27. Therefore the value of sum becomes 27. Now from this 153 we have seen this 3. This 3 I need to eliminate it. And how do you eliminate the last digit of the number? You divide it by 10. 153 divided by 10 is 15.3. But integer by integer is integer. Therefore 153 divided by 10 is nothing but 15. Is nothing but 15. That is what we will do. We say n is equal to n divided by 10. Hence the value of n from 153 with the elimination of 3 it becomes 15. Now 3 cube is done. I need to do again the 5 cube. Therefore what we do again? We say remainder is equal to n modulo 10. Remainder is equal to n modulo 10. 15 modulo 10 is nothing but 5. Now I need to compute 5 cube and I have to add it to 3 cube. Now 3 cube is stored in sum. Therefore what do we write over here? We say sum is equal to sum plus power of remainder comma 3. Power of remainder comma 3. Now what is remainder? 5. 5 to the power 3 is 125 plus 27 is nothing but 152. Now we have seen this 5. Therefore this 5 again has to be eliminated. Now how do you eliminate the last digit of a number? You divide it by 10. n is equal to n divided by 10. Now 15 divided by 10 is nothing but 1. Now what is the one thing we see over here? The one thing we see over here is these 3 steps are being repeated again and again. Now whenever the set of steps is being repeated again and again, we need to put those steps in the body of loop. Therefore I remove this set of statements and I need to put this in the body of loop. In the body of loop. Hence we say while till the condition is, some condition is satisfied. Till some condition is satisfied. Okay. Now again we go, assume that the condition is true, remainder is n modulo 10. 1 modulo 10 is nothing but 1. Sum is equal to sum plus power of remainder comma 3, it is 1 cube. 152 plus 1 cube is nothing but 153. And the next statement is n divided by 10. 1 divided by 10 is 0. Now when the value of n becomes 0, there is nothing more left. There is nothing more left and we have sum, because we have seen all the digits of 1, 5 and 3. I need to stop when the value of n is 0. Therefore the condition which I can write is while n. Therefore the condition which I can write is while n. While n. Now the value of n is 0, it comes out. Now when it comes out of the loop, what is the question? Armstrong or not? And what is Armstrong? Sum of cube of digits is equal to the number. But what is number? Number has become 0. We have sum. but number has become 0. Therefore, if I write if n equal sum, then print Armstrong, but the value of n is 0 equal 153 is false. It means the value of n is lost in the loop. Why it is lost in the loop? Because we are saying n is n by 10. That means the value of n is being formatted. Now, whenever we want some important data, before we format, what we do? We take the backup of that data. Therefore, before I enter this loop, what do we say? We say int s is equal to n. Now, s becomes the backup for n. Is that okay? Now, let's do it again. The value of n is 153. Now, to begin with, the value of sum is 0 and remainder is declared. Therefore, what do we need? We need the value of n. This is the value of n. You have to read the value of n. This is what we read the value of n. And we need one variable int sum equal to 0. And we need one more variable, that is int remainder. And this we put in the main program. This we put in the main function. Okay, and we say hash include stdio.h, stdlib.h and math.h. Now n is 153. Sum is equal to 0, we have remainder, and we have one more variable s equal to n. The value of n is 153. Why 153 it is true? 153 modulo 10 is nothing but 3. Sum is equal to sum plus power of 3, 3, it is 27. Therefore, sum becomes equal to 27. N is n by 10, n becomes 15. Go back. 15 not equal to 0, yes. Remainder is 15 modulo 10, which is 5. Sum is equal to sum plus 5 cube. 5 cube is 125 plus 27 is 152. Sum becomes 152. N is n by 10. 15 by 10 is 1. Go back. Why 1 it is true? Remainder is 1 modulo 10. 1 modulo 10 is 1. Sum is sum plus power of 1 cube. Is that okay? Therefore, the value of sum becomes 153. And again you say n is n by 10. N becomes 0. Go back. N is 0. Now, n is 0, but we have the backup of n in some variable called as s. Hence, I can compare s and sum. And what do we say? If s is equal sum, printf. And what kind of number it is? It is an Armstrong number. Else we say printf, it is not an Armstrong number. And we stop the procedure. I hope you have liked the video. This is how we find the Armstrong number or not. Okay, if you like the video, please like it and subscribe the channel and share it with your friends. Thank you friends for watching the video. Have a great day.
For the online paid courses of C programming, data structures using C, and analysis and design of algorithms, you may contact at the given email ID and you may download the following app. The app link is being given in the description section. Thank you.